Are you still broke in 2025? These 5 side hustles are making people money. Now, the good news is you don't even need a degree. You don't need experience or even a budget. If you have Wi-Fi and just 1 hour free time a day in your hands, one of these side hustles I'm going to show you could easily become a side hustle that will earn you $500 a month side thing, or even full-time if you push it. The first one, sell digital products. Design a cute planner in Canva. Canva is very simple, easy to use. So guys, this is Canva. As you can see, they have so many different templates that one can use to design your pattern or whatever. Now design it, go to Etsy. Now at Etsy here, you have to create an account and upload your template. Upload it, like boom. People will buy it. And the thing is, you'll be selling it over and over and over again and be making your money while you're actually sleeping. This is very simple and easy. The second one is freelance with the help of AI. Now, yes, AI, right? If you don't know about AI, this is the time to start learning about AI. Now, go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT, the best way to use it is to put a good prompt. Whatever prompt you put on ChatGPT is what the AI platform will feed you back. Now, don't just be basic. For instance, this one, I just asked a basic question. But there are different ways that you can get the best out of ChatGPT. And like I said, you can see here, it's giving me the digital product that you can honestly use. You can just use all these digital products and make money. You can see stock photos and with the help of ChatGPT, you could help people write resumes and emails. Now, you go to Fiverr and put up your profile there. So this is Fiverr. Here is where you're going to put up a good profile so that when people contact you and give you a job, you make money. Your profile, they contact you, you write their emails, you write their resumes for them, and they pay you. Now, the good part of this is the fact that you will be the one to say how much you want to be paid. Yes, you are the boss of your own. So why this is so good is the fact that AI actually will do 80% of the job for you. Yeah, you heard me. So the third way you can easily make money is editing short videos for creators. There are so many creators, they don't have time in their hands to do all of these video editings. I hope you know that the videos you see on social media, they don't just shoot and drop it like that. No, it goes through a lot of editing, right? So if you know how to edit short videos, you can easily send a DM to creators telling them your skill, what you can help them do. And you're going to negotiate with them how much you charge and they'll pay you. So you will become the one editing their short content videos for them. Now, the fifth one and the last one for this video is UGC. UGC simply is user-generated content. Now, how does UGC work? Brands are paying people to use their phones and talk about and create content for their product. This is how it works. And you get paid. Not only that, you can also use your phone and film product reviews. You know, there are so many products out there in the marketplace. The brands are looking for reviews, right? So you can be the one using your phone to create reviews for all these brands and they're going to pay you. So this is how UGC works. Now, let me quickly say that the best thing about UGC is the fact that you don't even need a following. Don't even go telling me that, oh, I don't have 5,000 followers on TikTok or other social media platform. You don't need a following to do UGC. No, you don't. All you need is use your phone, create the review, and send it to the brand. And they pay you whatever amount you have agreed with them. This is how simple it is. So guys, that is it. You can see no gatekeeping. Save this video and pick one out of these 5 that I had mentioned. You never know, you could be making up to $300-500 by next week. Yeah. So this is where I'm gonna leave this video to. If you find value in this video, do not forget to give me a follow, like, save, and share this video. I hope to see you next time. You're welcome.